You will all be completing a series of a couple area questions, okay? So we're going to be going over rectangles, parallelograms, triangles, and trapezoids. Each time I'm going to give you a chance to answer the question on your own, and then I will give you the answer after you answer the question on the EdPuzzle, so you can check your answer right away, because I'm going to make them open-ended questions, okay? So for the first one, we have a rectangle here. Our area is length times width, and your dimensions are 18 centimeters and 13 centimeters. Make sure when we find area that we want to find what's in the middle. So we want to plug in our numbers right into this equation here. This equation right here. All right, you guys do that now. And the answer that we come up with is A equals 234 centimeters squared. Here we have a parallelogram with the dimensions of 14 centimeters for our height and 21 centimeters for our base. Our formula is area equals base times height. Your turn to answer it. And when you answer it, you get area equals 294 centimeters squared. Here we have a triangle. Our dimensions are a height of 12 centimeters and a base of 25 centimeters. Our formula is area equals base times height, and then we take that answer and we divide it by 2, so don't forget that step. Your turn to do it. And you should, after you do base times height, that equals 300, okay? Because 12 times 25 equals 300. And now we need to divide that by 2. And when you divide it by 2, I'll put in a different color. Our area equals 150 centimeters squared. Here we have our final trapezoid. We are going to be having our first base as 8. Our second base is 11. Our height is 6. So when you use the formula, it's A equals height times base 1 plus base 2, which are in parentheses. So we know what to do when they're in parentheses. We do that one first. So we do base 1 plus base 2 times our height, and then don't forget to divide by 2. We get a final answer of, so when we do base 1 plus base 2, that is 19 times 6. Then we have divide by 2. 6 times 19 gives us 114. When we divide that by 2, our final answer is going to be in green. Our area equals 57 centimeters squared.